Here are 5 tips to marketing plastic surgery procedures. Don't waste any more time or money marketing plastic surgery procedures to attract more cosmetic patients until you watch this video, because I'll show you how to spend less while doubling your results. Hello, I'm Maley, author of Your Aesthetic Practice. As a matter of fact, from my book, I've been interviewed by ABC News, Newsweek, and the New York Times. And since year 2000, I've been consulting with plastic surgeons all over the world to get them more patients and profits. To date, I have produced more than $19 million for my clients using creative patient attraction strategies, and I'm considered the business and marketing partner every cosmetic surgery practice needs to survive in this competitive environment. By the way, you're entitled to a free 30-minute strategy call with me personally for watching this video. So click on the link below. So let's talk about marketing plastic surgery procedures. Prospective cosmetic patients have more choices now than ever before. So marketing cosmetic surgery effectively, it really takes some strategy. So here are 5 tips to do smart marketing so you spend less while doubling your results. 1, define your preferred patient first. Now, when marketing through mass media channels, you're talking to everybody and nobody. You've probably heard the saying, you can't be everything to everybody. All plastic surgery patients are not created equal. You have to consider different generational ages, ethnicities, genders, social economics, as well as consumer trends. Target marketing is necessary, so you focus in order to save money and get a better result. Cater to the group you consider your preferred cosmetic surgery patients, whether it be a particular age group or procedure. Then learn the demographics and the needs of that group and be where they are on the internet, the news sources they follow, the blogs they read, and so on. This is important because only a certain percentage of the population will invest in cosmetic enhancement, so they must self-identify that they're interested in your services by clicking on your blog, podcast, ads, banners, articles, reviews, and directories. Now, by marketing plastic surgery to the right niche market, you'll be more profitable. You won't waste your effort, time, or money by throwing out your message to consumers who have no interest in your services. Now, here's 2. Start with your current patients. While you're waiting for your mass media marketing strategies to take hold, implement some fast-acting marketing strategies that give you revenues now. Start with your current cosmetic surgery patient base. They already know you, like you, and trust you. That means they're much more likely to respond to your marketing efforts and bring you new patients. So your current patients are also your lowest hanging fruit, since a patient who wants to look good today will want that again and again. So keep in touch with them via email, text, and social media. And offer an easy way for your patients to refer their friends and family. Now, if you need help with that, check out kissrewardsclub.com. It's my own platform that works like a charm. Now, the best referrals will always come from satisfied cosmetic patients who were treated well and who got a great result. But here's the secret. When they do refer someone to you, please thank them and show your appreciation for their support. Because when you make someone feel appreciated, they want to help you even more. Here's number 3, Facebook advertising. Use your current patient email list in your Facebook audiences when setting up a Facebook ad campaign. This way, your current cosmetic patients will see you in their Facebook stream. That alone may compel them to reach out to you, or at least like and share your posts and ads with their friends on Facebook. You also want to add your own patient list as a look-alike audience in your ad campaign. Facebook will analyze your patient list to send your ad to others that mirror the similarities of your current patients. Here's 4, social media booth. Set up a corner of your office as your social media booth. Just order a customized backdrop stand with your logo and your website on it, so all photos and videos show your contact information in the background. Now, every visiting patient can sing your praises to their social media friends by taking selfies with you and your staff. You can also interview them about their experience with you and then forward the video to them so they can upload it to their social media platforms, and you can do the same to yours. And here's 5. Lastly, track your results. Ask every new patient how they heard about you. Now, there's plenty of technology to help you do this. You can code your ads, use a special telephone line, or have cosmetic patients present a message for the special offer you mentioned in your patient emails or social posts or ads. Now, regularly pull reports to determine where your marketing results are coming from, because that's where you want to invest your marketing budget. Don't guess. Take the emotion and anecdotes out of it and look at the numbers, since they're facts, not fiction. So the point is, when marketing plastic surgery procedures, it takes different messages, different formats, and consistency, and a ton of repetition to connect with your current patients as well as your new preferred cosmetic patients, so you catch them when they're ready for cosmetic rejuvenation. Because if they aren't ready for your services today, they really will be 3 months, 6 months, 9 months from now, and you want to be there. So if you could use some help with this, let's talk. Click on the link below to schedule a free strategy call with me to map out your own marketing plan for better results.